So stock has the following returns under the given economic conditions. So basically, if there's a weak economy, which has a probability of 0 to, our return will be $20. There's a stable economy, which has a probability of 0.5, our return will be $50. If there's a strong economy, which has a probability of 0.3, our return will be $100. We are asked to find the EMV, standard deviation, coefficient variation, and then the return to risk ratio. So again, if we're doing that, I prefer to do the table method. This column is x times p of x. Okay, so in this table, our x is basically our return over here, and our p of x is our probability column. So I'm multiplying these two columns. So 20 times 0.2 is 4. 50 times 0.5 is 25. And 100 times 0.3, 30. And then I'm adding up this total here. So 4 plus 25 is 29. Plus 30 is 59. So my EMV is basically 59. So my expected monetary value, or my mean, is 59 for this example. Okay, the next thing I have to do is I have to find the standard deviation. So again, I'm doing my table method for this. So I have my x minus my mean as the next column. My mean is my EMV, which is 59. My x value is this column. So 20 minus 59 is negative 39. 50 minus 59 is negative 9. Then 100 minus 59 is 41. My next column is my x minus mean squared. So I'm just squaring this previous column here. So negative 39 squared is 1521. Negative 9 squared is 81. And 41 squared is 1681. Then my final column, x minus mean squared times p of x. So basically my probability column times this final column over here. So 0.2 times 1521 is 304.2. 0.5 times 81 is 40.5, and then 0.3 times 1681 is 504.3. I'm going to total this column up to find my variance. Which is going to be 849. So my variance is 849. My standard deviation is just my square root of my variance, which is 29.1. So I have my EMV is 59, my standard deviation is 29.1. The next thing I have to do is I have to find my coefficient of variation. So your CV is just basically your standard deviation divided by your EMV times 100. My standard deviation is 29.1. My EMV is 59 times 100 to turn that into a percent. So that is 49.3%. And then my return to risk ratio is just the opposite of that. It's your EMV divided by your standard deviation. You don't multiply this one by 100. So 59 divided by 29.1 is 2.03.